So ViVO just released the latest V series device, which is the ViVO v25e. It was literally launched alongside with the ViVO v25 5G. The ViVO v25e has a little upgrade over its predecessor, and it happens to come with this tricky feature of changing colors when it's being took outdoor or under UV light. And also it shows any design you place at the rear when it is exposed to sunlight or UV light. But that's not all the features it has. For you to know more details about the device and without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. What's up guys, it's just there. In today's video I'm going to do a quick review on the ViVO v25e. If it's your first time checking out the channel, you're welcome. It's going to be much appreciated if you try to show some support by subscribing and also turning the notification bell to always get notified whenever a new video drops. Thanks for the 400 subscribers, I really appreciate it. The ViVO v25e was actually announced on August 30, 2022 and was launched on 6 September 2022. The device is made up with glass on both the display and the rear. It has this astonished matte finish that makes it look pretty cool. The interesting part of the design is the color changing. The sunrise gold variant displays different colors at different angles when exposed to sunlight or UV light. As for the display of the device, the ViVO v25e sports a 6.44-inch AMOLED panel, 90 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2404 pixels. It also has a peak brightness of 1300 nits to make it visible outdoors. ViVO v25e adapts IP53 rating for water and dust resistant. The MediaTek Helio G99 chipset powers the ViVO v25e, which is an upgrade over the Helio G96 we had in the ViVO v23e. This device comes with an octa-core processor CPU and Mali G57 FC2 that allows users to play intensive graphic games without having any issues. Games can be played on default settings. Basically, you can switch from low graphics to high graphics. 120 Hz of refresh rate could be more better in the ViVO v25e, but ViVO gave us 90 Hz of refresh rate, which is manageable for its price point of $199,900, approximately $200. Now let's talk about the camera aspect of this device. On the rear, there is a triple camera pump setup with an LED flashlight present for brighter shots. There is no authorized angle lens. It only has a 4 megapixel primary camera that comes with OIS feature, 2 megapixel micro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Those cameras can record videos in 1080p at 60 frames per second. On the front, it comes with a 32 megapixel camera that can record video in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The internal memory storage of the device is 256 GB of ROM with 8 GB of RAM. ViVO v25e runs on Android 12 based on Front Touch 12 launcher, and also it houses a battery capacity of 4500 mAh that supports 44 watts fast charge. It charges up to 58% in 30 minutes. To order the ViVO v25e will cost you $199,900 in Nigeria. You have color options like diamond black and sunrise gold. The one that has the color changing feature is the sunrise gold variant. Before I forget, the ViVO v25e does not support 5G. It got the 5G model and it is the ViVO v25 5G. So guys, that comes to the end of my video for the ViVO v25e. Tell me your favorite feature of the device on the comment section. Please support this channel by subscribing and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on this channel. Thank you guys and see you on my next video. Peace out.